Hey, Luke Edwin here. I'm doing some product photography today. I'm doing some splash product photography today. I got a Coca-Cola bottle. I'm not like sponsored by them in any way at all. That would be amazing, but I'm just doing this for fun, and for some reason I just feel like Coca-Cola bottles are kind of photogenic things to take pictures of, so let's do this. I've picked this location because I really like this metal and I think it's going to make a very interesting backdrop. The first light that I'm going to set up is this LED light that changes colors. I think I'm going to set it to like, I don't know, what should I do? Should I do blue? I do a lot of pictures in blue. I think I'm going to go with green. I'm going to place this right behind the set to where it's shining up onto the ceiling. That's going to create a really interesting backdrop. So I'm noticing there's like a reflection going on from all these windows. A ton of windows in the background here, and each one of those is creating like its own reflection in the Coke bottle. So I'm going to try to block a bunch of that light. I have some mattresses here. I know this is kind of not super professional to be using mattresses, but that's what I have on hand. But by building up these mattresses in a circle, we're keeping the light from directly going through the window and reflecting onto the Coke bottle on our set. Here's before and there's after. I'm gonna set up one more light. This second light shining straight towards the back of the Coke bottle, it is illuminating the Coke bottle a little bit, but its main purpose is going to be to illuminate the splashes. When we start pouring water over this, it's gonna brighten up that splash. I'm shooting on the Canon 6D Mark II. I have it set on a 10-second timer, and when it gets done with that 10-second timer, it's going to take 10 photos. So when I hear it take that first photo, I'm going to go ahead and start splashing water, and then hopefully in the next 9 photos, we'll get something cool. Time to see what we got. Okay, there's at least one in there that I like. I would like to see a lot more splash like on the bottle itself, so I'm gonna keep taking pictures. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Okay, that's why we did this photo shoot, was for that picture right there. I'm not gonna stop there though, because I always do this where I come into a photo shoot like with an idea of what I want, and once I get it, then I quit. And who knows like what I could have gotten if I had kept just trying different things. I feel like as a beginner, I did a lot of experimenting because I didn't know what I was doing. But in all of that experimenting, sometimes I'd come up with really cool things. But now that I'm more experienced, a lot of times I'll come into a photo shoot with an idea of what I want, and once I get it, then I quit, and I don't like try as much stuff as I used to, which I don't want to make that mistake today. I'm going to keep trying stuff. I'm going to try some red back here now. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to try some different shutter speeds, and who knows, maybe I'll get something cool. Ooh! Okay, and that ended up being the perfect example of why you should keep experimenting around when you're on a photo shoot and trying different things, because that picture with the red in the background and then the flowy water, that might actually be one of my favorite ones on this whole photo shoot. Now it's time to talk about our featured product of the day, which is obviously the LED light that changes colors. I've had this for a while now. I've been really happy with it. It seems pretty high quality. Even some of these parts are made out of metal. Really like just the sturdy construction of this. It's been a great light, so I recommend it. Link in the description below if you want to pick up one of these on Amazon. Okay, commercial time is over, and also this video is over. I'm making videos almost every day, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up if you want to. If you like the video, you know, that's up to you. I will see you guys next time.